My name is Brittany. I'm a part of the Bachelor of Fine Arts and Graphic Design program here at UW-Stout. So since UW-Stout is a polytechnic school, the program really focuses on getting your hands dirty and getting into the materials and working on how to talk to clients and really getting in the nitty-gritty of what it's like to get a job outside of Stout. We really focus on creating intentional and representative designs. It's more about creating designs that have a purpose and a meaning, and we try to find ways to be creative in our own types of design styles as well. In high school, there was this business class that I was involved in, and at the time I really wanted to get into business. But I also liked art, and so I took a drawing class, and that kind of helped me, sparked my creative interest. I was really influenced by both aspects, and so in a class we did a presentation, and I did some research about graphic design, and that kind of sparked my way into figuring out what I wanted to do within graphic design as well. What I enjoy most about the graphic design program is that I'm free and able to create basically anything that I want to and work with the skills that I have to create those timeless designs that I really enjoy. The key courses that I feel like helped me develop my graphic design skills and confidence at most was my graphic design 2 class. I felt like I was able to explore more in different types of graphic design that I really wanted to get into, such as illustration and also publication. And I'm also in publication right now, in which I'm having a lot of fun in, and I'm learning a lot of different page layouts and grid systems and typography, pairings and whatnot. So those 2 classes have definitely helped me. So my internship at Student Life Design was actually mentioned to me by my advisor at the time. She really encouraged me to take a step forward into my design practice. I had a lack of confidence in my design skills, and so I was kind of nervous about applying, but after she said that, you produce really good work, I think you should apply. So that's what really gave me the confidence to put my design out there.